10 reasons to invest $200,000 in a gold IRA for long-term growth with best-rated gold IRA companies. In today's uncertain economic environment, investing in assets like gold that retain value can be a wise choice. A gold individual retirement account (IRA) provides a stable investment option, particularly when managed by the best-rated gold IRA companies. Here are 10 reasons why investing $200,000 in a gold IRA could benefit your long-term growth. 1. Preservation of wealth. Gold retains its value over time, offering a safeguard against currency devaluation. 2. Hedge against inflation. Gold tends to increase in value during inflation, protecting your purchasing power. 3. Diversification. Adding gold to your retirement portfolio reduces risk by diversifying your investments. 4. Tax advantages. Gold IRAs offer tax-deferred growth, allowing your investment to grow more efficiently. 5. Protection against geopolitical instability. Gold often appreciates during geopolitical turmoil, shielding your investment from global uncertainties. 6. Capital appreciation potential. Gold has a history of significant price increases during market stress. 7. Liquidity. Gold investments can be easily converted to cash, providing flexibility when needed. 8. Control over investment. A gold IRA allows you to choose the type of gold that fits your investment strategy. 9. Protection from market volatility. Gold is less susceptible to market fluctuations, providing a more stable investment. 10. Legacy planning. A gold IRA can be passed down to future generations, preserving wealth over time. Investing in a gold IRA with a $200,000 allocation can help protect your financial future and provide a stable foundation for long-term growth. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.